Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to add photos of your shop to your Resogra store, so buyers can see who you are and shop with confidence. Let's get started. In your vendor menu, under Seller Tools, open Store Photos. This is where you showcase your shop with real pictures. You can add up to 10 photos. This counter shows how many you have used, so you always know how much room is left. Your photos appear here in a tidy grid. Right now it is empty, so let's add your very first one. To add a photo, go to the Upload Photo box just below. Choose a picture from your device. It can be a JPEG, PNG, or WebP image, up to 5 megabytes. Then click Upload Photo, and it is added to your gallery. Repeat this to build a small set of photos that show off your shop. And that's it. You now know how to add store photos that help buyers trust your shop. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.